In this video, I'll show you how to use the Bunq app. Firstly, on the home screen, you can see all your bank accounts, cards, and recent transactions. Just tap on Account to view details, make payments, or manage settings. Go to your bank account in the Home tab, then tap Add Money. Choose from options like bank transfer, credit or debit card, iDeal, and cash deposits. Now, to send and receive money, tap your account, then Pay or Request. Choose a contact or enter an IBAN, and you can also create a payment link or QR code to get paid quickly. Now go to Home, then select your Bunq card. From here, you can activate or deactivate your card, change your PIN, set spending limits, manage countries where the card is active, or freeze or block your card if lost or stolen.